Tolsen Tools. Now before I proceed, don't forget to subscribe and like. Also hit the bell button for more updates and notifications. So, let's begin. Hi guys! Welcome! So today, introduce ko ang different types of padlocks. So marami tayong types of padlocks, kaya dinivide ko siya into two parts. So this is padlocks part 1. So unahin ko muna ito. Lahat. Then meron tayo dito dalawang series. So meron tayong lock plus and meron tayong securer. So si lock plus muna unang i-explain ko and mapakita sa inyo para at least malaman nyo kung ano yung tsura niya. So ito si heavy duty brass padlock. So, yung material niya itself is brass. Then, kung makikita mo, rust-proof siya. Rust-proof for, syempre, dito kasi sa season natin, dalawang season lang. So, it's summer or rainy season. So, at least hindi siya exactly na nangangalawang agad-agad. So, rust-proof siya, kahit nabasa. Then, makikita nyo dito is double-bolted. So, ito yon. Then, meron siyang 3 pieces of keys. So, meron ng 1, 2, 3. So, ayan siya. So, ito yung smallest size na meron tayong available. So, this is 20 mm. Then, meron tayo dito 30 mm, which is bigger siya. And medyo may weight din siya at the same time. Kasi nga, heavy duty siya eh. So, these are all industrial grade. Then, we have here size 50 mm. And last but not the least, last but not the least, meron tayong 60 mm. Now, ito talaga masasabi ko, heavy na. Then, meron tayo dito, ayan, huwag lang malala. Pero makita nyo diba? So, meron tayo dito isa pang klase, padlock. Pero ito kasi, long shackle. So, what do you mean by long shackle? Yung sa may opening niya mismo sa lock is mahaba. Kasi di ba may times mahaba yung mga bakal na kailangan natin lagyan. So, this is specialized para doon. So, same material siya, brass. And ang weight niya is 130 g. Rust-proof din yung interior niya. Then, hardened din siya. That's most important din. Hardened steel shackle. And chrome-plated sila lahat. Hindi lang hardened. Chrome-plated din sila. Then, double bolts. Then, ang difference lang niya kasi dito sa other size is ito, dalawa lang yung keys mo. So, ito 1 and 2. So, ayan siya. Then, ang size niya is 40 mm lang ang available. So, ayan ang Lock Plus series. Now, dito tayo sa Secure. So, ito ang sample natin. Bakit Secure or another series? Kasi iba yung material nila. So, ito kasi is iron padlock. So, ang material niya mismo is iron, hindi brass. Ito yung brass na ito, iron. So, meron tayong 3 pieces of iron keys. O, diba? Narinig yan. Iron keys din yan. So, 1, 2, 3. Then, waterproof rubber cover siya. So, ito yun. And size 32 mm to. So, yun ang difference niya from Lock Plus. So, meron tayong other sizes. So, meron tayong 38 mm, 50 mm, and 63 mm. Now, may weight pa rin siya. May weight pa rin siya. Kasi nga, this is all good quality padlocks. Hindi siya yung, alam niyo yung standard na tubing lang. For example, lalagyan natin sa piggy bank na maliit. Alam mo yung pag children tayo, not necessarily ito naman yung kailangan gamitin. But better, syempre, kasi it's still the money of a child. Or mas quality. Oops. Sorry. So, kung ako yung ask yun, ano yung favorite ko, dito sa series na to, I'd go with this one. Ako yun ha. Hindi kasi ako sa more space. Kahit sabihin mo enough na yung ganito. Para sa akin kasi, I prefer the long ones lang. talaga. So, that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope na na-enjoy niyo itong video na to. I hope na may natutunan din kayo sa akin. And nalaman niyo yung difference ng dalawa. Please look forward sa mga future videos namin and watch our previous videos for support and for knowledge about Tolsen Products. I hope to see you guys on the next video, so stay tuned. Don't go away. Thank you so much, guys. See you soon. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested with our products, you can visit our official website at www.tolsen.com.ph. We're also available on Lazada, Shopee, and GRABMART. Or you could drop by our stores. Links are provided on the description below. Again, don't forget to subscribe. This is Layatan signing off.